Mesrao, Patriotic Ejagum Niongo.
Okay, you know what I mean, that's it. I'm in Chobia. Now I'm in His Excellency, the former Vice President, like Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Yes, you go on one boy, and Israel, man, and I see my manager, 7 Baumia. So, and will be our doctor, maybe yes, young Puncha, protection, Emma's uncle for you. Me the Balkan say, you know, but invoke as I say, yes, okay, this is cut of Wari. In the Bois Ecotono, 7th of December 2024, and I born at my area. It is a deal when we saw because Yan Ecotoy. Now, before some workers have said, Ufriunson, so not an asset won't to your car. Yet the accident a primary and a down walker. In Tekufuado, a dear Ghana for you free in few or chia, young Triano, young Yansono, and another one, my dear accident premier and Eda Yakano. Cause me school placement, we know. No, I saw being with a challenge, Zebba. Well, in the first place, over Kaya, my man says, oh, that's a secretary at Nano, school finishing finishing high school secretary at Nano. This woman and organize a press conference. Journalist Ebisa and say, cut off point. Not even the word cut off point can only matter. It is if such a person, not so on every school placement here, do you see it to be a successful distance exercise? No. And me no, my mama baso, no, my idea. Because you see, a campaign promise because Ebeka 1 November 2024 when I joined mama Ekoshia conference of private senior school omo conference no omo invite no okoye na sem ne say omo na omo sem ne say free teachers no buy no ama private schools den collapse nti omo say say oba omo na honorable private schools no enti kwambe no fa so oba private school obi obekọ private school obi a yentima place no obi beka say yere cut off point ba wa fail say nipa na uni any options obekọ public school obekọ private school enti nya dwon ma ye nyina no one campaign promise or promise private school for say yere yes so obo mo na mo so yere enti yemfa cut off point mimla yemfa strategy mimla na yendina nkura ni bi yedina na say ni obekọ private school na okọ na mo so yere enyomo de 2 dwon ma promise ye say for the first 3 months ade a ye frɛ no double track we have. And now Minister of Education Abeka say by the close of I think next year ombe fence and FUO sa double track FUO
2 years to 2027 answer into a new cry
and the kwambe na obefa so obeya FUO because infrastructure na won omuntimu nsi okay and as had enrollment na yemfa kwambe na yenti enrollment na so moment enrollment na so bete no that means direct no oyisa fence and double track is the night no ye FUO until now 3rd year for no atwere wi nyame adom omu nyino ma wi enti omukọ omu ni system no biem omu maka ye second year for no na first year for no mbeko second year nti omu mba first year na yemfa kwan bi so na yente so nti if yete this year so na say yete next year for no so automatically double track no wetima ye FUO na campaign promise no wa yeden wa achieve enti dwomama ade a oye bia na yeden calculated na me ade a emma ne nyem mobo me sympathize with obia ne say me ne ba say wako station ko for car na esu a ko for wonu che say car na tire ajo na driver na adisi zo enyo ye tire oye aba ye new design aba ndi tire na sa na tie na wako for na wako for ukodo continue na car na kwa hwe ase a me sympathize with because wona wa mo wani anda ho dwomama Ghana ni bia enim dwomama last for fence and for 4 years from 2013 to 2016 obi ehun dwomama mamu ha ministers ya na odemu bu man this the same crop of ministers and oyeden odemu buye omo baka ho kwade incompetent class no mo na omo nkura dada no now ye okasa bi se me fence me kwa me mabiem ye kan nkwantia dwomama na owo ayikra se obesemba biem 2016 kra no die na oyema Ghana fo na omma biem enti ono no to no onwene wo ho ena 2 yebeka ya nanu a Yesu Kristo ba ya na okono okae o se ne ma oba ye de oba ne se aguama na moni oba ne biem no obeba ne sa awe na de endie nyina obi o tipika se bia ye ka sa awe na de a obi ni ma do ko sa awe na de nya de eda fem yes obeba no din so pa ndo mama se kan tem awe na de na we na waba no enti wo ye wofo a asode a wo ye hu offense asotwe na na yeden ye nyina ye face enti nyina ye ntena because say I say your mama buy first 4 years nkwa na so papa we buy in the first 4 years this and this and this and that and otinye man Ghana e fence ye fa no to prefer because we course kra na ye hwe skra to there fine but your mama buy it for the first 4 years ade ba kokura no even on no your mama na kwa beti ni site ni waka say oh me your mama buy my first 4 years this is what I was able to achieve for Ghanaians when timo amfa ne sense enzin bo anjire bi but yet Ghana for bi I don't know say say ye bayo say ya dio say ya so din din ye timo troma and this for some ekore package ba pa we abeton na ma nipa bi eden ato na omommo bo kra ye me ankasa menua na mo a omunni bi no a no mo hura di akire seprer anu mugu kiaso egu kefense ka kwan so yekoba no ene they are the direct victims enimi say unkrofo na mugu kia track so sepre free education for one no na how many of them any bit me 15,000 17,000 akopɛ admission ya momomba how many of them ena wo woduma wo yekora yeku adwuma na wo ye no kora no ena wo ba yeku adwuma na kora design ena abura na gufu do fi abamu na yeto no 1001 ena yeto no 500 Ghana cedis nti aburo bag do say na betima ton a obenya 15,000 eda kotua bribe asan say akoton biem eda koto prospectus asan say akotua biem eda ama akora na wo betu no obedidi nti indirect ne say akora na wo den wodi na say akora na ontimi ye na enko but Ghana for ye aso den ena ekuti NDC ena on propaganda because ngofo e betena abamu continue 19 good years omantima anya hwia mo man Ghana omosan betena so 8 good years continuous omantima anya hwia ma Ghana yet Ghana ni anadwu memre Ghana ni a nani efura esanji ngofo we die esan kokoto aba ma adwo mama amande ye nyina ye den yesi apene na omo ane ka mo kotage se nipa bone ni edi man so a man na ye den esi apene and this is what we are seeing, this is what we are experiencing. Ene Ghana ni bia ye din Ghana ni bia obekasa fa ba mo bia o kan sempa mo ni bia no eye nipa directly wa benefit ntine se unzo osofo bi jana pop so na so o kan sempa fa joma ho a mane nyo ho so ye osofo wa benefit e bia ya man contract bi ana ya pian ba bia hye na se ya pian ni busu ni bia den a hye ba bi ana wanya board bi so ya den ada so a journalist na so ti radio na so kan for aban wo ya 78 million Ghana cedis eye adwuma na sa kana share but what typical Ghanaian na o san lie ekokoto aba ekoye sepre no de na wanya ade anka obetima nya na say nka o bana woni down say nka onso na daakye de emeye yi say be ya obene nya bibisi at least o so obre no so de enye kwa ene sa akra no so odi na sa akra no so future obi ba ebe ma sa akra no future na do na yina na say Ghana ni akra bi oboko fence obehye school asibia na at least anya hwede e so otimi SS nti last year minimum bi wonya aged 45 enso wonya school koi aged 45 last year enso wonya school koi because akura wo wie fence and wo wie SS bia no at least wonya some basic understanding nti wona ne kasa omre ti se obi a school wan ko bi kura ana obi o wie JSS utum se difference e wo nti na ko for nimje ne say at least Ghana ni akura bia no wonya foundation ko at least SS there enso utum nya SS no odu SS na zo complete ya no matter how many years I bet na feel once you put the SS certificate nko ade time be opportunity be pay bia no utim edi bibi utinya ba bia edefa ene dwomama gradually nsem no mka no opposition say free education eye 419 free education emwa me 2 million Ghana cedis a me mfa nche education mu no true to his west papa ne di adwuma nti ene free education no ne say placement no nti ne na aso ne nan nti ne na ba ko bebu na otogu so na sia ebia na sia ba ne nan nifa no na yenso wabu enuru the third year na ba ne nsa nti graduate mu say na free education na ye na be bubu afo nti wo ye wo fo you have no option say ene adon kwa nye ne mami ko tues kra fa akra nko. This is what Jomama is selling to Ghanaians. We na dey Ghana for ye san lie ekokodi fensen ko san lie we wiazo kokoto aba e ma papa we se onfa mra me ye tina medi kan no se oye utu kalisika ekokoto bo a owe me never me dey no asi no this issue of sa anko ketenkete no fortunately farms bi am run consultants emomo omo ye one defense na ya omo ya contract bi a sa defense best na ba no omo so omo ba be brudi ni ere ebi sa project no dead on arrival.
Okay.
Yes, dead on arrival because who say ngoko na mo be broless And even kwan kura omo fa so omo dey select no kura no e kire say obi kura ho afia wo kokoro onye bi da. And if what the nkoko blast any pe we after so waton nkoko na we the way forward na etisan.
So say patriotic means chawano. But Oka Sem no on said John Mama no, he didn't hide anything away from us. So he told us everything point blank. Ye decided say we will not pay attention to details. Oka chesi e bebrem nkoko, na ma ye nkoko no, enti mo ton ni nkosuare se nkoko ni nyia, na ma ton nkoko no, na ma kumbiare.
Mo ton.
Enya kan mo tell asem ni mo kire mo.
Yes.
Yes, so you should know say it wasn't going to be a cycle be progressive be movie akobe e na movie akwahin aro kan so be coaster di obebi coaster do no afen wo opere e wo MPP mu e se ye de ne beba to jo mama wan kan so obebi coaster nti ye be ye nkokọ ne yeku bi dia ye coaster e de afreeze na whatever what into Okachem, he did not hide me. Say, there is one thing that John Mahama was in 2024 is to be honest about his intentions. The intention be no what this year Ghana for. Yeah, Ghana for you decide they say we will not pay attention to the things he's saying. One can't just say two about a man this year. You better say that crab surely say or mine ya turn to be answer in your mango. Didn't he say it? He said it.
And who say me I do way any do be a MPP your communication but well I happy being so no do what so do I don't my only say Nana Akufo-Addo release this program but MPP for anka because now you don't see say now MPP time now your friend Savannah investment program now omuchusu some district be those Savannah areas or northern region, some part of Volta region, some part of Bono East, some part of Bono region, next some selected district. And we say some district be what if it's egg production in port in but it's a cost of egg and it was so those districts not selected yet. And na your program nice program. Oh yeah, almost selected ma and omoma nkoko no omoma cages omoma waduane no be fidi nkoko no for and omo wi me this is an me wo 40 beneficiaries now benefit here no as at now 25 of them I establish one kasa mo portrait farm omo run so what I say this is what Nanado did and I don't want my ran so obekope and or 10 year nkoko nketenkete and we nkoko nketenkete ya now I don't know what they but dead on arrival and even the way on select I tell you say there's some district directors because even mode of say how I select nipa beneficiary they don't know a branch chairman branch executive MC list one chairman list and so what I say. And me maka say any crown on come from NDC headquarters na come nche na woman ndc say NDC bona fide property NDC for no che
Debut you see ade na wo ye no even the quantity ne for so dey be hyase no it is not feasible because NDC party na kasa san kokon ketenkete kasa ye cha mo a o mo na kasa kwanya obi a na benya bi o mo cha ne say won beta akokọ ba akode ama obi a na say dey
and can me say okodom defense do man kra somebody is having 200,000 base. Okay. You know, Akufo is having 200,000 best domain group, and you are saying say the whole district only 10,000 best and neighbor.
Or the year day, and Kuko in Swa, may say I do be a winning, and Kuko no year almost fresh now. I fat me woo because I'm young day.
The most poultry farms, no, ever abisim.
A lot of relationship issue, but one who gave away ya na sem buy you know. No, you'll be ma follow no papa because na no wait. Ain't no me be who say ono na eda blocks so a me ko hu nipa na one ni akọwo a me se me call back na me ko hwe ni videos and ye wotimi kwotena television ye Tracy Buachi didi na nufo ni wan atemo na ninyina akoba se woni man no kra ni di design
Oh so bempa
eh Papa n'anim tantan te sɛ a night owl.
Na klama n'anim kase.
Hey,
Boy.
ɛna obi ahu wei nyinaa de aba. Ka woyɛ obi a woyɛ nyansani a adeɛ no wonim sɛ ɔne ne na awo. What is this Jimmy Seven say? Wow, the so life Edia see so and you are trying to do damage control such a srasa abua way say, oh come on and say oh supporting. What kind of hey God? Hey, media Joyce dear we're reducing the standard in my face so Nami Jin this say in term did you know what to me did part and again when they go to na television I can say ono de say ne Nyankopon born no obi to me hwe no disikama no umbrella o living a life sa na wa kopa aboa tete we acha se onyem wo no nhwe no mo we duane ma wendi ya chiwe we akawanu tumu and just swallow your shit una baby na obie wa no esien egugu weni masi ka kira wo say you are making sense jeni ngwa say we aba emma intem oh that be
Martin da say
Frefia kra oba do. Se we fia. Mesro. You me ne me bayi free mu. Na ni papa ne ndile mesro. So what you say? Chese wo ye bibia ma bra na sa ba back o se din ba no susu do wa bobo won ewi ompe obi ebo.
Ompe ni bie ba o tin say dan ne pe no.
Ope no.
Ye wo ye nyina answer order so papa na cha say oh accept me. That's a pick me on.
I say me ba ni intimidate that form na
maybe the any say. She was defending you.
That
What I say, Fiasco was defending you.
She
was trying to say.
So what?
Yeah, she was trying to say,
on no one like he was speaking in the favor.
Now you people are suffering. What would they make? Omeshamu no nje didi atem na wo didi ni enimguase no. Na omeshamu na you people are suffering. Na ono kra na ma wusika. Okan we ye mother wakan bone. E wo say ni tu be so life. E wo so be so life. Na mother enyume wo fire dey my salute to why. Na unya be ma pa. Unya be ma ne wakuma na wo fire omosa no. So ofi asante achim. Awa papu for asante achim.
Ai.
And I'm saying, unya be man no say ukrom.
Ai yakuro.
Ai ukrom ena ai wakuma ena me wo fire omosa. Wa Jimmy dodo enyume wo so life na me call life na so obi eye end the life no china oba be ko school na prepare no end the just say onim say mother why your life na ya ko ra washroom nyina. Or they are cool washroom, you know. But look at all this. You go explain tire. Mother media they make an catch and say a mona ya de man you could so fan comma a voters no. Ah, we are swabre no on fire the embrace your money young one. On fire the embrace now we need it. Why? MPP ye here pa catch and so fambre a mono and ye the casa no can who here no fire money young one in brain. And cross it for news. Why? See,
I'm order.
One mesu so 29 years. Say planning for yira. Planning for yira. Who problem na one my plan yira na hodin say oh say fia kai no. Eh no correct. Come on no too na baby. Come on no too. If you kasa obede. Obejai. Onu koka ba akokora wa mabiem. Yes, was I bad yet she was I be no. When I bet you know, and why am a papa
and
after this is a crowd out
for life. And would dear Fiasco make at them. If Fiasco take who when did you at them? And I may Fiasco for tell so then we buffu your better also yeah life to know. Oh, I'm sorry.
Mantan, Yanko.
Good evening, I'm saying for.
Good evening, but Abbas I know I like it, Yanko.
But voice, me go on the life. Oh, me nim sa ade a wo so ya no so obetimi akọ na wie ya. Oh, sister fi wan didi watem. Kura asema wo kono kura ase or site o. Oh, or support joy. Actually, what be so life? Obi no na pian no. Wanya de, but the sister fear air corner level no sa na e. O man mfuno no.
Aye the address expose Bahama ye de yetie. If you more Mohammedi. Aye. Yeah. If you don't more Mohammedi o. Enti na wo Mohammedi. Enti etie. Yasumi ye.
When my own same be a woman.
Na NDC for beba wo shunu.
Mahama. Na Mahama de ne kokota. Abo pa kunenya de obefiu.
Obefu ne background share.
Okay. I'm making so on me tell who say Kim. Now o ka asem bi fa Mahama no mo so ande ne kokot. Obaya mo bosse. Abo pa kuno.
Asa wa kan wie. Asem no wa kan wie. Wa expose Mahama wie. Wa kan wie. The one they say the one can na and some more kind na me who say Mahama any trace buache na wo. Yes, and
now Joyce no ono no kra no o sai pa afia so ache wo. Wa Jimmy o. Wa Jimmy papa.
Wa Jimmy dodo.
Odi wa say odi kan woni say afia so abeye video no e was say nko kana no tum. No sign ekwo ho o sign yes wa kwa send e fi ahwa message yin egu me phone so wa ha wa fa kira kwa send ni message say wo sere no enye ono na wo de no because first video abeye ye na de bufu ye na wa send ni say enye ono na wo de no uwie ya wa send be ye biem u say be ye biem aberi na tem me si wo be no ne ho
ebusuafo e de mo ma me fa asem ba ku bi ntwem o jollof me de nkra ko ja obi o me ye sure say nipa ne kan kire o